Aloha, this is Yong. I'm a licensed real estate broker in Hawaii. I'm an official member of HBR and NAR. My friends call me Yong. I'm also the mother of 2 cats. And this is Moana Pacific. Moana Pacific was built in 2007. Moana Pacific is known for its twin towers and its round-shaped exterior. They're 24 hours residential specialist. Total 720 units in both towers. Let's do a quick walkthrough. 03 is the corner unit. Approximately 2349 square feet for the living space and 86 square feet of lanai, so total approximately 2,435 square feet. 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, and 3 parkings with an open view channel. Moana Pacific's 4703 has panoramic views from the ocean to the mountains. Being this high with this open view will make you feel like you're on the top of the world. Let's see the lanai. There are 2 lanais. The first one from the primary bedroom is more closer to the ocean side. Next is the primary bedroom. It has plenty of space. It has a den and its own lanai. Easy access for the fresh air and the view of Diamond Head, Ala Moana, and Ward Village. Imagine waking up in the morning with this Ala Moana view. It will give you a great sense of tranquility and it's an amazing way to start your day. And this is the primary bathroom. It has double sinks, a shower, and a tub. The tub has a spacious countertop. I love the walk-in closet here. It is gigantic. If you're a shopaholic, this is the closet that you're looking for. Let's take a closer look at the living room. It feels more open and spacious. You can also see the ocean on the right and the Diamond Head on the left. Ta-da! You're on the top of the world. There has been a lot of compliments regarding the size and the openness. The second lanai is more closer to the mountains, so it offers a nice breeze. From Pikoi to Kapiolani Boulevard, you can see some of the future developments, Ala Moana Mall and Ala Moana Beach. Let's walk over to the second bedroom. This unit is remodeled. It has engineered wood floor throughout the unit. It is a lot of walk. Living space alone is 2349 square feet. The second bedroom and the third bedrooms are looking at the mountainside. This is the cooler side of the building and that you often see rainbows. It also has nice night views as well. The second bedroom has a mirror closet. It also has its own bathroom as well. We're going to the third bedroom. The third bedroom is also facing the mountains. Just like the second bedroom, it has a mirror closet. The third bathroom is between the second bedroom and the third bedroom. It is often used as a guest bathroom. The kitchen is spacious, 2 ovens, fan, induction stove, dishwasher, sub-zero custom refrigerator, also separate laundry room, full-size washer and a dryer, and plenty of cabinets. The building offers great amenities: hot tub, gym, barbecue, playground, tennis court, putting green, driving range, theater, and party room. And this unit comes with 3 side-by-side parkings on the ground floor close to the elevator access. It is close to Ala Moana Beach Park, shopping malls, Ward Village, Whole Foods, fine dining, theaters. That's pretty much what I got for today. Thank you very much for watching. This is Min, aloha, and mahalo. For further information, please see the description below. To see all Oahu properties, please visit mint808.com.